Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you doing today? That's good to hear. Are you ready to sing our good morning song together? Let's stretch our arms out like airplane wings. We'll fly to one side, over to the other side, fly back to the middle. Big stretch out in front. Now take the circle up over your head, and we can stretch on this side, over to the other side. One last time, and now let's sing together. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Good morning, friends, and welcome to Circle Time. I hope that you all are having a great day so far. Before we get started on the calendar and weather chart, let's do 3 things quickly. Number 1, we have to turn on our listening ears. Next, let's put on our thinking hats. You look for your thinking hat. My thinking hat is over here. I'm going to put it on top of my head. And today my thinking hat has a zipper underneath my chin. So I'm going to zip it up. And the last thing that we need to do is warm up our hearts, like this. Boom, 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 boom. And now we can get started. Behind me, I have the calendar and weather chart. There are lots of numbers, a few pictures, and some words. And the first thing that we do is go over the date. Here's the month. Do you know what the month is? September, and today is September 8th. Let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was September 7th, and today is September 8th. And right up here we have the year. There are 2 ways that you can say the year. You can say that it's 2021, but you can also say that the year is 2021. Now let's take out our counting fingers and we'll warm them up to give them a little stretch. Let's see how many days we've had so far in the month of September. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've had 8 days so far in the month of September. So I have my 8 fingers up like this. But if I take away 1 finger, now I only have 7. And the 7 fingers means that it's time to sing the 7 days of the week song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's go down to the bottom of the chart and we'll go over the days together. Listen for the sound that the day starts with, and you can tell me what the day is. This says that yesterday was Tuesday. That means that today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's sing Today is Wednesday together. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday all day long. Today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday, today is Wednesday all day long. And right up at the top of the chart, we have the season. It's still summertime where I live for a few more weeks. At the bottom of the chart, we have the weather. So let's sing the weather song together, and then we can talk about what we see outside. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Today, where I live, the rain is falling. When I look outside of my window, it's cloudy and gray with a light rain. A light rain is called a drizzle. My temperature chart is on orange because it's warm. Warm and a little bit rainy today. What about you, friends? What do you see outside of your window today? Thanks for sharing with me. Let's move on to the letter, the number, and the sign of the week. Do you know the sound that this letter makes? Let's do that together. J, J. And what is this letter called? J. That's right. This is a capital or uppercase J. J says J, J. And now it's time to guess what's inside of the letter box. Inside of this box, I have something that starts with the letter J, J. Here's your first clue. This is a type of a liquid. This liquid is for drinking, and usually it comes from a fruit. What kind of liquid comes from a fruit? What's it called? Let's take a look. Juice. So right here I have a picture of some juice. This juice is inside of a glass. What kind of juice does this look like to you? Orange juice. That's right. This is a glass of orange juice. Juice starts with the letter J, J. This is how you write an uppercase J, J. One more time. And here is the number of the week. This is the number 15. Can you show me with your fingers what number you write first? 1. And what about this number? 5. 1, 5. 15. Let's count the number 15 together using the large bead frame. Today we're going to count to the number 15 using the large bead frame. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 110, 5 units. 15. There's one more thing to count inside of the number box today. I have these small rocks called pebbles. And as we count them, I'll line them up across the top of the box. Because I have a lot of pebbles today, I think that I'm going to make 2 rows. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start the second row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pebbles. Let's look for the largest pebble, which is right here. Here's the largest pebble. And now I want to find the opposite. So the opposite of the largest pebble would be the smallest pebble, which is right here. The largest and the smallest. Altogether, we counted 15 pebbles. This week, I showed you how to say school in sign language. Do you remember how to do that? School. Would you like to try? School. If you're starting school in a classroom with a teacher and other kids, you will be learning lots of new names. Our names are important because it's what makes us an individual. We have a first name, some of us have a middle name, and then we have a last name. But mostly we are called by our first names. My first name is Nina. What's your first name? Today I have a song to share with you to help learn names. So joining us for our song today, I have a couple of friends. We have Owl, Penguin, and Cat. And I have a song about names, and it goes like this. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me? Nina, Nina, Nina. Let's move on to Owl. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me? Owl, owl, owl. Next we have Penguin. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me? Penguin, penguin, penguin. And last one is Cat. Hickety-pickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me? Cat, cat, cat. Maybe in your school you sing other name songs. And now that we've learned each other's names, let's practice writing them. For today's work, I'm using some sandpaper letters that spell my name. You can use flashcards, or you can just write your name on a piece of paper. I have a work tray full of sand. You can also just fill a work tray or a plate with salt instead. And you can use your 2 fingers, or you can use a type of a stick. So you can find a stick outside. For this work, I'm going to be using a chopstick. So let's go back up to my name, which is right up here. My first name is Nina. Whenever you write your name, you're going to start with a capital or uppercase letter, followed by lowercase letters. So in order to spell Nina, I start with a capital N, followed by a lowercase I, a lowercase n, and a lowercase a. I'm going to take my chopstick, and in the sand, I'm going to write an uppercase N, which is the first letter in my name. I'm going to go down, down, up, N. The next letter in my name is a lowercase I. I'm going to go down with a little dot on top. The next letter in my first name is a lowercase n. And the last letter in my first name is a lowercase a. So let's go through it. N, I, N, A. That is how I spell my first name. Now, unless your first name is also Nina, your work is going to look different today. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. If you would like an extension to today's work, you can practice writing your last name as well. Thanks for learning with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and find me on OutSchool for my live and interactive classes. You can also support my channel by checking out my Patreon page and gain access to bonus features for your child. Before we go, we have one more song to sing. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow.